Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna put together the Actobotics Robot Kit, and this is how it's supposed to look like. We're gonna go through the whole process of assembling the whole kit, and at the end of the video, we're gonna show you pictures of how it turned out after we put it together. Before we get started, I wanna remind you that Lee is going to be guiding me in the background, so you're gonna hear his voice throughout the video. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, I'm going to leave links in the description below. All right, let's get to it.
Hey.
Okay. Got it.
Those are going to be very important.
Okay.
Because all the stuff that'll turn it into a robot is going to be mounted on top of those.
Okay.
This is where it becomes critical to have the rounded head on your hex driver. When I first started playing with this stuff, those cost about $3 a piece. They've got them up to $7 a piece now.
Right now?
$6.99 a piece for those things.
Holy moly.
Yeah, it's crazy for that little aluminum part. Oh, that one's got the little hub thing of the bearing in it.
Yeah, they're different.
Ah, I see. Okay.
So I guess
That's the one that's the hub mount.
I guess it doesn't matter which side is what. Okay. All right, I think it looks okay.
Yeah, I think you put it together correctly. Imagine that.
All right, so
Well, I guess they all have to be kind of facing the same way. I get it. I see why it matters.
my box is getting empty.
Yeah, going right through it.
So are the wheels going to be held up by this clamp here?
Well, the motor is going to be held on by those. And then the wheels are attached to the motors. I think is how it's going to go.
But the weight of, I guess, it's going to be held by this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, so that's one side.
It's not.
So, but see here, this one will always be attached to the body, and this one is only the one that's going to be swiveling.
Right. Well, and that's no, that can't be the, well, oh, wait a minute.
But I guess it has to, right? Otherwise, the body's going to just go
Oh,
in
it's all right. Yeah, they can still go independently.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this one will always go with the body.
Because that's what holds the whole thing together.
But it's just only tiny here, but it's not. Well, I guess it has to.
Yeah.
This has to be free. Yeah.
Yeah. And that is about it for the kit, I think.
All right. Okay, so what do we need next? Motors. Well, even the wheels are cool. I should be able to put the wheels on, right, Lee? I don't think that's going to be on the way.
No, it should be fine, yeah. And once you do that, the kit's pretty much done, right?
Yep. Wow, this thing is wider than I thought, Lee.
Wow, look how wide it is.
As long as the wire doesn't fall off, I think we're good, Lee.
Yeah, as long as the wire doesn't fall off and as long as the wire makes contact. That's all.
Come on. Not all the wires stick through. And I have to cut some. Oh no, ask me because
Hard to not ask.
I might forget, and then it's like, oh, it's soldered now.
Sorry, gotta get a new motor.
We're done assembling the kit. The whole process took about an hour, hour and a half, so we did fast forward in a lot of the sections. Now this is how the kit looks after we put it all together. The next thing we gotta do is that we have to wire up the motors to an Arduino board with corresponding motor shields. We have already recorded a separate video on how we program the motors to work. There's a link in the description below if you want to watch the video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I connect and configure the motors to run with the Arduino board. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we publish new videos. All right, catch you in the next one. Did you watch the videos below? How about this one?